SHIBA INU, will it continue? I really don't know. Is it a sin to get in? I go to church every day. I pray, I do this way. I hope I got the TA because we got bills to pay. SHIBA INU, will it continue? I really don't know. Is it a sin to get in? I go to church every day. I pray, I do this way. I hope I got the TA because we got bills to pay. SHIBA INU, will it continue? I really don't know. Is it a sin to get in? SHIBA, NEEBA, SHIBA INU. Do you have it in you? Can you continue?
Paul, what up?
The things we do, we hodl. We vote, open up a bottle. This is the SHIBA way. I love it. Hey, we got the bills to pay. That's why you watch WallStreet TA. Hurry up and enjoy today. It's the WallStreet way. SHIBA, NEEBA, SHIBA INU. Do you have it in you? Can you continue to do the things we do? We hodl, we vote, open up a bottle. This is the SHIBA way. I love it. Hey, we got the bills to pay. That's why you watch WallStreet TA. Hurry up, enjoy today. It's the WallStreet way. SHIBA, NEEBA, SHIBA INU. Do you have it? Can you continue to do the things we do? We hodl, we vote, open up a bottle. This is
Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. And I hope you like the little SHIBA INU intro. We're fooling around, having a good time, doing some research, making some music, having some good beats. I hope you, if you woke up on the wrong side today and you're aggravated because maybe you sold some of your SHIBA INU, I totally understand. You can do that. It may hurt you. I was down a couple bucks here and there until SHIBA NEEBA came in and saved the day. So as we talked about way before we were at this price, I said I bought my girl SHIBA INU here, and I said she's going to be mad at me because we're going to get some prices going down. We did, and then I said, but when we wake up, she's going to be chilling for real. And what did we do? We went up here, and now I'm looking to see if we can get the 5,000. But what did I do here? Well, I'm looking to see if we get to the 5,600, and that's kind of sweet. What a sweet number. Where did I get that from? Well, that was the last pull-up on the side, the uptrend. And what was it, ladies and gentlemen? Well, let's do the math, and let's continue to do it the right way. So we did a 60% move, and the 60% move this morning, if you like crypto news, please hit the like and subscribe. This is Wall Street Pete, the Sicto crypto man. Let's see, October 23rd, so that was literally 3 days ago. 3 days ago, we did a 60% move. And if you did try to repeat the 60% move, well, that would give you a 42.6, so 42.5% move still coming. So that's what I believe we are going to be able to pump up to. Will it be a rocky little rotation? There's a possibility. But let's see. There's a couple things to talk about. Well, SafeMoon. SafeMoon is now, SafeMoon. SafeMoon is up 12% this morning here, coming in, and it's almost about to hit the 3,000 level. So I'm excited about that. SafeMoon's making some money. This is one of my retirement long time see you later alligator. So if you're interested in SafeMoon, that is one of those tokens where I will never tell you take profits. Just hold the mofo, buy when you want, and don't look at it, and just relax. That's what we do. And one day you'll be taxed. You'll be taxed 15% after a year of whatever your profits may be. So relax, Jax. Looking at the market cap value here, I was just trying to pay attention, see if we get the 2 billion market cap value. But SafeMoon is getting some love, and then the volume is showing 20 million in the last 24 hours. So something to pay attention to. All right, so as we continue to proceed to give you what you need, let's make sure we get the right numbers here. I want to make sure. Okay, 2.62, 1% increase in the last 24 hours. Bitcoin is 100% getting the volume. We are increasing, and so is Ethereum. That's 100% noticeable. I do see that. But what is getting attention here? Let's see. Solana. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, this 208 price may not be friggin' awesome for you, but 191 coming up is amazing from this 32% in 7 days. And On top of it, the volume is 4 billion coming in strong. XRP slowly creeping up. A lot of people don't like that. What did we do at Cardano? I skipped it. 217 up, only 2%. So pay close attention to Cardano. Please hit the like and subscribe. As we're going on a ride, we need to get the algorithm. We need to get 100 likes on this video. SHIBA INU. Do you have it in you to continue? I don't know, but I hope it does, because now the volume is kicking into 9 billion. A lot of people are going to start smashing some volume in. They're going to see this price moving, and the FOMO is real as steel. So, Jasmy, what did we do? Well, if you were on my video and you watched one of my Wall Street Pete videos and watched Jasmine TA, we were right here on the TA. Watch the video, September 25th, September 26th. I said we were coming up to here, and I said, be careful. There's a thing called an inverted head and shoulders pattern. This is Jasmy, Wall Street Pete, fast talk money. If you can't take it, I'm sorry. Vinny, cousin Vinny. Can I, hold on, I'm going to hire everyone. Can I get a woo this morning? And if you're not sleeping, you need to wake up, chuck, because I don't give up. Vinny, what's good, bro? So, Vinny, my cousin Vinny, yo, what's the matter with you, Vinny? You haven't been on lately, and Mr. Michael Brown want to know why you haven't been on my channel lately. So please hit the like, subscribe, and hit the share button. Hit the all notification, because we're going to the moon, man. We're going, and we're going soon. So I actually predicted this head and shoulders pattern. I predicted that. Check, Nike, just do it. I did say that was coming. This is amazing. And then for the second half coming, I did also say that we will see something catastrophic coming up. A lot of people are going to be upset when they realize they missed the Jasmy train. What's happening? Well, we're getting an inverted head and shoulders pattern, which is a bearish trend. What will happen is you'll continue to get the levels. Hopefully we stop right here at this train and get to 8.7. So 87 cents worth you may get. What's up, XTCVN? How are you doing today? Make sure you hit that like and subscribe, because we're going on a ride. We're going to the moon, and damn, we're going soon. Gary, good morning. 10 cents is coming. Nobody had a clue. Everybody said, yeah, okay, Pete, we ain't going to 10 cents. Well, if you watch my channel, if you like the TA, if you know my strategy is, this is not financial advice. This is just really nice. A gentleman, green and red, as Christmas is coming, to give us some really nice feedback here. But on the Fibonacci level, I don't have it, the retracement. I was telling you this ascending triangle was going to break out. A lot of people did take this. Your name is Vinny. That's awesome. No. If you pay attention, Vinny Landry, whoo, there it is, kids. What's going on, Arnold? We're kicking ass, taking names. We're taking profits. And if you didn't sell, and if you didn't take profits here, as I told a lot of people, 10.7 would be my profit level. Did we go above up here on the inverted head and shoulders pattern, continue the FOMO in? Yes, we did. But the smart money took profits. I'm the smart money. Are you the smart money? That's a great question. I don't know. If you watch my channel, you most likely are the smart money. We have a great, wonderful set of people in here. And we do crypto news. So if you like crypto news, if you like Tom Brady, I'm a New York Giants fan. We suck, but I fucking love Tom Brady. I don't know what to tell you. Tom Brady is the GOAT. He gave a little boy a hat on his 600th passing TD. And then what did he say and tweeted? Oh, and I'm also going to give him a Bitcoin. Well, shit. Give me a Bitcoin, Tom, with your little sideways lazy eye there. I didn't even notice that. I've seen that a couple times in pictures. I don't know if anybody ever seen that. But I am very jealous. He is the GOAT. He cannot beat my Giants, but he is the GOAT. He gave away a Bitcoin to a little boy who this little boy is now not going to be able to spend it. It's insane. And I don't know why there's no little boy in the picture, but the little boy had it. How you know my name, he says. More than one Vinny in here. Hey, there's more than one Vinny in the world. But he is the fucking GOAT. I don't give a shit what anybody says. You don't go to the Patriots where you're considered a cheater, because I was a hater. And then he went to the Tampa Bay Bucks. I said, oh, he did confirm he's a GOAT. So that's what happened. Your piss got wiped out on my wonderful move to short yesterday. Yo, Chooch, I said live to you, do not short SHIBA. I said it to you. So as I'm getting loud and he's getting upset, we have a video of me telling him live, I would not short SHIBA INU. I don't understand why you did it. But he did it anyway, so that's all his ways. I'm not going to tell you to do it my way all the time. But we have some crypto news, and I woke up to that, and I was really excited. And I told people, and I told people, and I told people, and I told people, this is SHIBA INU. I said we're coming for the 5,000 mark. Here we are coming. And if you didn't know what we are, real quick, in green, please follow us on Instagram, WallStreet.Pete, and you'll be able to find us there on Instagram. It's a big deal because I do show a lot of things on there, and we are at Sicto Crypto. For SHIBA, and SHIBA everywhere is going. I'm in for Twitter. I'm a mess. SHIBA, new record. SHIBA surpasses 781,000 shareholders. Pretty pretty excited. I kind of like that. Stunad, as my great grandmother from Italy would say to Peter. Peter, I love you too much. I love you too much. I swear my great grandmother used to say that to me. I was great enough to be able to know. I had a great life to be able to see her. Wonderful. We're going to see some big things. 1 million SHIBA holders is going to come soon. Wall Street, the wolf of Wall Street in his fantasy picks. Chooch, you're going to enjoy that. He's leading the pack, and that's nothing new, right? Wall Street is in charge, in large, and likes to win in everything he does. So please follow us on Instagram. It's very important. I do have Jasmy all talking in here, and it's kind of ridiculous how much Jasmy, how much I talk about on here. And I'm looking for a picture exactly where I was going to tell you, Jasmy really had me excited. This is the Harmony token. We talk about a lot of big names. And let me just look at the price, and then I'll find Jasmy just by looking at the price, all right? That's kind of silly. Why didn't I just do that? This is what we'll do. I'm looking for the price, and I do not see Jasmy, of course. What a joke, because we haven't been talking about it, because why SHIBA INU's been stealing the show. Here we go. All right. So here we are. This is actually it, ladies and gentlemen. Here it is. Holy shenanigans, I found it. So if you pay attention, we're only trading the 10. I said take profits still. A lot of people didn't believe me. This is Jasmy. Jasmy token, Jasmy, whatever you want to call it, on the 4-hourly on the Coinbase chart. I said we're going up. We were only trading 8 cents. And a lot of people said, no way, we're going to break the 8 cents, come through and get to 10. I was fighting with a lot of people on this. Coinbase or SHIBA Bitmart? Well, I have some Jasmy breaking news. And if you didn't know, Jasmy is going on KuCoin. Yes, I do. It's on what is it called? I have so many. Bit4X. You got to get Omni on Bit4X. I do have some Omni, which is Ikami token for, what is that? Gosh, there's so many. Ikami token is for the what is it, the Veto app, whatever the hell. There's so much shit going on in crypto, I could throw up, and I can't teach you it all in one day. If you follow my channels and start going through them, some of them are really good, so not all of them are bad because it's live TA. So Jasmy is going listed on KuCoin. So if you didn't know Jasmy was getting listed on KuCoin, if you didn't know this move was coming, I'm sorry, you weren't watching Wall Street, Pete, and you're screwed up. So show a friend, let them know. The big possibility of that 9 cents is coming, and the huger possibility of a big fall here will be 8.7, and you will be eaten. What's happening next is an 18 cent move. I really can't help you with any more than that, but I'll tell you right now, in the time of November, when we get this big Tigger bounce, Tiggers bounce, like that's what Tiggers do. And I know some of you got through the Monday, and some of you are like, oh no, nobody tells me about crypto. I'm just gonna lay here and die. It doesn't have to be that way. Just make sure you take profits. Make sure you stay away from your emotions. This candle will emulate this candle here most likely. And if I'm telling you right now, there's a good support level at the 9 cents and there's a good support at the 8.7. So Jasmy, it's really important to pay attention to. Solana, I already told you how this is a bullish pattern. It's a bearish wedge coming down. It's a falling wedge, excuse me. And I do see the falling wedge coming. And I will tell you right now that if we do believe to get something even further into there, which I do not think, this is my real scenario here on the TA, and we'll just make it white. And now we're going to Solana really quick. And if you have something you want to talk about on TA, big deal for you, and it's a big deal, then let's go right now, shout it out, and without doubt hit the like button, and I'll see the like, and then I'll just do some TA for you. Why not? This is Wall Street Pete, sicked in crypto. We're a little different here. We do live TA. We worked on Wall Street, and we've been on fire, and that's the whole reason for the fire up right now on the screen. We have a lot of people watching, considering versus the likes, and I wish we'd get more, but it's okay. What we're doing here is consideringly getting a little bit of higher lows, excuse me, and it may look funny and funky, but some people see this as a descending triangle pattern, and I actually see it as that. And what may happen here, and this is Solana, we've been getting some big pumps here, the bullish flag is still in play. And what's happening is it becomes a falling wedge, and it may get misconstrued with that. Triaz is a great token on KuCoin. Jasmy tomorrow will hit. Jasmy tomorrow will hit KuCoin, apparently. It's happening. Triaz, it's going to be a hold token. So if you want to have a hold token, I would just hold Triaz. It's trying as hard as a mother effer, Jackson. And I love Triaz, but I got to wait and see what's going on. So this is Solana. And Solana now is on a discount, but people don't know that. And what's happening is there is a support and resistance line of somewhere about here. I wouldn't really say it's really strong. But if I look deep into it, there is a nice little range here, and we did break to the upside. So if you're looking at Solana, this is the trading view chart for Solana, your mama, and I do expect this triangle pattern to either show me a nice dip, which would take me to Solana to be able to buy it at the $200 level flat. And if it does, I'll be excited for that. But that would be wonderful. I could get profits at the Solana level. Currently support purple, which I like to do. And then there we go. So I'm going to get rid of that. What is that? The 216, 215. We'll be back there. 211 was something for real on support for a while. This is the hourly chart. And if I did look at some of the EMA patterns, EMA ribbon, look at the Bollinger Bands, we're getting tight again. So I'm getting ready for another action on the pull-up. So if you're into Solana, Solana is actually going to move. VeChain for Chooch, we might pay attention for that for a second. Wall Street Pete has probably made so many people on here a ton of money, yet you can't take 2 seconds to give this man a like. That's a sin. Damn, my man Stan with a plan. And that's why we talk about this, my man Vinny. It's okay. Listen, right now I only have, 1.2 subscribers? Barely. I don't even have that. We're going to get it. And what's going to happen is I just don't drive the fancy car. That's what it is. I'm saving my money. All my money's in crypto. And what's happening is we're going to get this ticker bounce down. If you see, we're going to go under the EMA on Solana. The TA doesn't repeat itself for nothing. I'm just trying to explain it to some people. Some people may not understand that this is what's going to happen. And I'm going to show you right here. And you're going to go, holy shit. Right now, we're above the EMA, pretty big here. We went to the middle and then we went under. So what my next move here is, if we're going to do it, is a big spring out. We're going to actually blow up on Solana. I'm actually excited what I'm seeing here, because I was going to tell you something. As I'm looking here, what is that? Well, if we buy into this and we see this, well, if you see this top 12, we're going to go to 211, and I'm telling you, I'm leaving it right here because this is exciting. $211 is going to come back. It's going to go all the way up to hit to the 213, come down. It's actually going to hit down here even a little lower to the 208 to be precise. And when it hits this 208 or 206 on this upward W, we're going to spring loose, and out is going to come the juice, because you're going to see this move, and 235 perhaps FOMOing in the rest of the way, 250, and before you know it, we'll either be in December or we'll be in the end of November talking about, wait a minute, how the hell did Solana get to 500? And I'm going to go, I really don't know either. But guess what? Exactly as I predicted. So pay attention to Solana. If you don't want it to go there and you don't want to miss the move, well, that's 100% on you. We do the math. Once you get to 250, it's already double its money from the 250 range. So imagine where we are from August when we bought it at $40, and you got it at 35 if you were really one of those people. Back. This is Solana. This is an NFT art like Ethereum. It has no gas fees. So if you're into Solana and don't even know what it is, shame on you. It's one of the tips we talk about on my channel. Do your own research, right? Check out the coin, see who the providers are. Some people blow you away. Some of the CEOs are real people. SHIBA INU. What is SHIBA INU doing? Well, it can't go up forever, baby. It's 47.69, and it's going to shake out some people. The whales are like, wait a minute, you're not making money. You. And what they're doing is they're going to give you a Fibonacci pullback. And where's the Fibonacci pullback level? Well, I'll show you right here. And usually this gentleman is correct. This is the hourly, so I don't like it, because if you look at the 4-hourly, we're still moving. And this is back to SHIBA INU, so I don't know if you're continuing to follow me. I try to make it as clear as day. We didn't use any Fibonacci level. Let's get rid of some of the BS here. I'm looking at my RSI level. As I say, the trend is your friend. And will the trend continue? I don't know. We may continue to make a double bottom top here, and we're going to get another pullback. There's no way we're going to continue. 5,000 might get us there. I'm telling you right now, 5,000. 55, 56 is going to be a peak where we're going to hit. And I don't know where you don't see it, but I do. And that's okay. When I get there, I'm going to be dollar cost averaging out. Next stop, 5,000. Well, yep. Fuck saying that. Excuse my French. I'm dollar cost averaging out a little, a very, very little, because I have a feeling I'm not going to be the only one wanting to do that at this point. I'm just saying, in between here, in this time frame, I'm actually getting scared. Now, look, I did Jasmy, right? I did the Jasmy TA, and I said, here is a big ass shoulder, okay? Big ass shoulder. And this, on the 4-hourly is going to be a humongous head. And what's going to happen when I get my percentages on my big-ass head, and this is what we're talking about SHIBA INU still, I'm going to get this same thing Jasmy did. What did Jasmy do? Jasmy created this big-ass head, and then we're going into October down. Look, 31st Halloween. Look on the bottom. Look at this. This is what I do, okay? I don't need to see nothing else. I know what this shit does. And then I'm coming in, and I'm going to hit my resistance again, come through, and now, if you don't know TA, well, let me show you a little trick. 1, 2, 3, boom. What are you looking at? It is an upward W. SHIBA INU is going to do the hugest, biggest, largest, enormous W you ever did see in your life. So please, if you like this stuff, hit the like, hit the subscribe. I would take a couple bucks, a couple hundred. I don't care if you have 10,000 in here. I don't care if you have 20,000 in here. Take a couple hundred and get out at the price in this range. 5,000 to 5,600, just a couple bucks. And if you don't want to, you don't have to. It's my strategy. All of this is not financial advice. This is what I'm doing. Where did I get this growth on this wick from here to here? It's the same growth I got from October 23rd into the next day or two. Let's be real. This is happening in the next day or two. It's everybody and their mama finding out about SHIBA INU. That's what's happening. What's your largest holdings currently, SHIBA and Jasmy? Between SHIBA and Jasmy, my largest holding between them two is SHIBA INU. I can't effing believe I'm saying it, but right now, I'm one of those people. I want a Lambo. I really don't want it. I want the money enough to be able to buy one. Am I going to buy it? Hell no. Could I buy the dealership when I get there? Yes. I'd rather have a dealership than just a stupid car. So here we go into the upward momentum. And momentum, I can't speak. Holy cow, let me get Yoda in the house. And I didn't do the EMA Bollinger Bands. And look at this stuff. Look at this. We may be spreading apart a little. So what's going to happen? We may continue to get this rise. The volume's going to continue to pump. Let's get the pump. She crashes 22%. That's old news, ladies and gentlemen. Old news, just so you know. So now it's already pumping back. People don't understand the FOMO. The fear is real. We're going up in volume. It's coming. You'll see 10 billion in volume within the next hour, and we'll be talking about it. We'll be here. So please, if you hit the like and subscribe, I really need the support. I'm trying to get this. I'm trying to feed the poor. Hold on one sec, because I don't think people understand what's going on. Winter's coming. It's getting cold now. WallStreet Pete worked on the New York Mercantile Exchange in New York, in Manhattan, on Vesey Street, right across from the Hudson River. I used the New York Waterway Ferry and the Belford Ferry in New Jersey and paid like $700 a month to get there. It was wild, and I went through a lot. And I just want people to understand that I've seen a lot of poor people. I've seen people shitting on the street in garbage cans. I almost became one of them. I was living in my car. And when you become one of them, you just start understanding that life, people need help. And this is why we grew this channel to where we are. And I want you to understand, I need your help. And if you're watching these videos and you're taking my gains and enjoying, and you're fucking making sick on my crypto and you're not hitting the like button, I believe in karma, and I don't want nothing bad to happen to you. But when you get your ass kicked and you get your ass handed to you, you might not be hitting the like button, and maybe that's what's happening. I'm just saying. I do not wish anything bad on anyone. I hope every single one of you, even the one that hit the dislike, that you smash this. You know why? It's going to be a depression world coming. We're going to be depressed. Not us, the world. A lot of people in the United States, one of them. So pay attention, definitely to mention as this rise here on this trend line. The trend is your friend. And the trend is continuing on Solana. We're going back and forth on everything. Jasmy will be back with the news when you find out it's going on KuCoin. So you're only going to get this cheap price down here into the bottom of the ribbon, probably 9 cents. So if I was a man to say, WallStreet Pete, what is the entry level? I want to get in on Jasmy, 9 cents. Then we talk back. I'm just going back and forth, back and forth. I need you to understand what we're doing. This is so important. High volatile waves in the up trajectory move. That's what crypto is. Sometimes it goes down, but other times it's high volatile waves. As you see this W coming through, you see how the W forms? Look at the yellow pattern and the high volatile waves in a certain way up. This is called crypto. This is the pattern that is most likely to come, which I'll make green because it's an upward W. I want you to understand that this is what crypto does. This is what we're going to see, and that's how we're going to make it. The EMA ribbon is getting tighter on Solana. I'm into it. Cardano, I've never been more ready for Cardano to fucking explode. I hope you don't understand, and excuse my French, because if there's any kids here, I'm sorry. I need you to hit the like, I need you to hit the subscribe, because I need you to understand that every single wave on the ribbon down here, starting from October 20th, is now starting to get a new higher low, and I don't know if you see a ribbon flip. This is downside. So this is now when the yellow is on the outside, we're going down. We broke the neckline. I'm trying to help you understand that we broke the neckline, and I'm showing you the ribbon, and I'm screwing up. Give me a second. There's a neckline right here, and it just became support. And what happened here is this neckline, and I'm going to get rid of it because if you see the ribbon, it flipped already. That ribbon flipped, and now what's happening is we're going to build some resistance above here or create the support. And there's a small little bullish flag here where it's getting ready for a breakout. It's already got the ticker bounce coming through the line. I'm trying to help you understand this. This is Cardano now. So if anyone is interested in Cardano, you will see the little downward trends that we're doing. We're constantly, this is descending triangle pattern. It broke out, it came down, it hit our support, our previous from October 19th. Then we're back into the 24th researching. Now what's happening? Well, we're in an upward channel. The upward channel is a trend, right? So the trend is your friend. So I do not expect for us to break through and below this trend line. We should continue to create new higher lows, which is possible. It's almost, it has to happen. It's going to happen. And what's happening here is I don't care how much people love SHIBA INU or Jasmy or whatever the hell you love. Cardano has got its people who hodl. So Cardano has its team. So when all the people take out their money and are getting tired and being bored, well, there's a pattern forming. There's a thing coming where it will get the ticker bounce. And I'm trying to explain to you, if you look at the bigger picture on the 4-hourly, this is creating new higher lows, and eventually you're going to see the new higher low create on the 4-hourly as we're creating a new one here. I finally can add to it. It's very slow. It's very, very limited. But when the breakout comes through and you all FOMO in and everyone says, oh, Pete, what's a good time to buy? I'm going to say October 26th when I did this video, and I didn't even say buy Cardano. Profits, dollar cost average out. To be honest with you, I don't even want to do that. I'd rather dollar cost average up here. I mean, that's my personal opinion. Now, a lot of people should do 244. That's going to be a big deal because it is going to hit resistance. So my new saying for this Cardano level, when it does break out, and I'm trying to explain to you, if you look at the relative strength index chart, there is something happening. Hourly, it's already trying to test. It's going to be volatile. That's the hourly. This is the 15-minute on Cardano, and if you look at the 15-minute, we're already down, but we're already moving in an upward way, so there is probably a big bounce coming for Cardano. It wouldn't surprise me. It already got it on the hourly I see from this morning. That's looking good into last night. Then you see the 4-hourly catching up. Then you see the daily. The daily's down here, and we're getting ready to spring up, it seems like, so we're going to get that. If you look at the daily, each day that comes through, we're getting ready to coil up and go cha-bang. If you don't see that coil up, I need to help you get your eyes checked first. But then look at this. Look at this. Holy cow. The last time we coiled up like this in an upward move, what did it do? I want to show you. The last time we coiled up, let's see when we came down. Here it is. We got a massive up pull in January 30th, 2021 on Cardano. The last time, listen to me, wow. The last time we did that, that RSI level went skyrocketing. And what did we do in January 25th, 2021? Because now I'm curious. This is Cardano. If anyone's interested, please hit the like and subscribe because we don't do too many live videos for you. This is a very important live. If you're here, you're lucky. Let's see, January, because we got to go back. I want to see what the hell we did because that's exciting. So from the January all the way to the end of the month, we've really started something amazing. Wow. Right, and before we even went crazier, we almost did a 200% move. Now, oh man, there's a 300% move coming between November, right? There you go. Look. I want you to understand this. Oh man, my head hurts. How do I clone this? Clone. Now it's saying another 68%, but I want to do this. Is that exact? Yes, it is. Okay, so now I want you to understand the month of February. The month of February came out, and this is gonna emulate the month of what November's kind of doing. I want you to understand that. 650%. I don't believe that Cardano is going to do that, because if it does, I'm going to die. Because there's no way my heart's going to be able to take that. So now what I'm trying to explain to you is November and December, let's do it. Let's do it on the daily, because we're showing you something here. So I'm bringing Cardano over here, and what is Cardano finding out at a price that's been really just settled? I think it was 212, and is that where we're at? We'll go to here, but I want you to understand where we're going to be, and if this is possible at all. Right there is support. There's a lot of support. I'm sorry I'm dragging it on. Could you imagine we go up $1.05? So $1.05 would take us right at 315, it's saying. So I'll tell you right now, that is more than possible. So in the month, maybe even of November, maybe November combines that, I do see a 315 price coming for Cardano when we break through the, oh my gosh, we break this $1.06, that's probably what's going to happen. We're going to get a new high. We're going to break a new high. I think you've seen it on Solana. Let me show you an example real quick. So Solana, and I'm going to have to get rid of all this, it sucks. Solana, new high, and what it did was like 215 in September 9th. What it did was it made another new high, or matched the new high on the 22nd. And when Solana on the 27th, obviously, not the 27th, the hell am I talking about? On the 25th yesterday, went to the 217 and barely marked up. Well, that's what I'm thinking is going to happen, because now it's retracing before it comes back up to the other, before the next leg up on Solana. It surprises everyone on the daily. So this may be down on the daily. You may get another down tomorrow. You may get another down the rest of the month, but I doubt it. There's going to be a big pull-up coming, and a lot of people don't realize it, so there's another W forming here, so get ready. And that W is going to be at the 211 price. I think I told a lot of people that 211 price is going to be something to talk about. 211 price, wherever it is on this chart for Solana, is huge. So just make a big note of it. 211. There will be support. It'll be coming down, and then it's going to spring loose. I don't know if it'll be resistance or not, but definitely pay attention to that. Will crypto, and this is just one news I wanted to talk about with the NASDAQ, will crypto be a game changer for this growth stock? And I found this today as an article at 6:15, October 26th. It was a pretty big deal to me. Marquetas, I said it probably wrong, but last week, disclosed some interesting news. It said it will work with several cryptocurrency-related companies, including ShakePay, Fold, and Coinbase, to creating Visa cards that allow users to spend their cryptocurrency where Visa is accepted. This move is huge, boosting Marqueta's platform, which has formed partnerships with Affirm, DoorDash, Instacart, and Square. This is also big news for cryptocurrency owners, creating another way to spend their currencies in the same way they spend traditional money. So if you like crypto news, if you are excited about the market, this man worked on the New York Mercantile Exchange. He busted his ass. And I'll tell you right now, we're here for a reason. We have a wonderful community. Jasmy's coming out. SHIBA INU is looking really good. Do you have it in you? Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. I hope everybody has a wonderful day.
That's why you watch WallStreet TA. Hurry up and enjoy. Wait, today it's the WallStreet way. SHIBA, NEEBA, SHIBA INU.
Have a great day, everyone. Get your workout on. Let's go.
I go to church every day. I pray I keep this way. I hope I got the TA because we got bills to pay. SHIBA INU. Will it continue? I really don't know. Is it a sin to get it? I go to church every day. I pray I keep this way. I hope I got the TA because we got bills to pay. SHIBA INU. Will it continue?